Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. Pinnaid it. Pinch it. Let's let others to join, okay? Just wait more few seconds, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Good morning. Okay, how are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. I am Santa. Thank you.
All are fine. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now I can see all your beautiful smiling faces. Okay. Now, did you write yesterday note which I sent in the?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Please show me the notebook. Show me your notebook. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Advait, where's the notebook? Anna, where's the notebook? Arjun Krishna? Madhav, where's the notebook? Show me your notebook. Madhav, you wrote yesterday's notes which I sent in the WhatsApp? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, good, good. Okay. Now, last class, please mute yourself. Okay, please mute the device. Then ma'am will call out your name. That time you unmute. Okay. Now, let's start. Okay. So last class, we discussed two positional words. Which are the two positional words? Jennifer, which are the two positional words we discussed last day? Are you remembering? Jennifer, Jennifer, are you remembering what we discussed last day? Jennifer, am I audible to you, Jennifer?
No.
Ah, yes. Can you say what we discussed last day? We discussed two positional words. Which are the two positional words we discussed last day?
Math and English.
Which are the words we discussed in math period, max period? We discussed two positional words yesterday. Which are the two words?
On and under.
Ah, very good. Jennifer, we discussed yesterday two positional words, on and under. Are you remembering now?
Yes.
Yes, on and
Yes.
under. See, on and under are positional words which tell us the position of the objects. So, what is the meaning of position? Are you remembering what is the meaning of position?
Yes.
Stefano, what do you mean by position?
Place.
Place. Very good, very good. Position means place. Okay. Today we are going to study another two new words. Okay. Now let me ask you. Let me ask you, Meenakshi, please unmute. Meenakshi, please unmute. Where are you sitting? Where are you sitting, Meenakshi?
Chair.
Simply don't say chair. You are sitting under the chair? Eh?
No.
No, no. Where are you sitting?
On the chair.
On the chair. Very good. You are sitting on the chair. Got it? We are sitting on the chair. Okay. So today we are discussing two other new words, that is above and below. Which are the two words I said? Above
Above.
and below. Okay.
Below.
Above. A-B-O. Above.
Above.
The other one below. Okay. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Now, what's the meaning of above? Above means the object will be in a higher position. Okay. The object will be in a higher position. It will not touch the place. Okay. Let me share the screen and I will show you some examples. Then it will be clear for you. Let me share the screen. Okay. Be there itself. Let me share the screen. Okay. It will take few seconds. Don't go anywhere. Be there itself. You see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, it's coming. It will take a few seconds. Be there itself. It's loading. It will take a few seconds. Okay. Okay. Haya, can you see the screen? Haya, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. What's on the screen?
Table.
Table. Okay, you can see the table. Meenakshi, can you see the screen? Yes. What's on the screen?
Star.
Star. What's the color of the star?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Now, where is the star?
On the table.
The star is on the table.
Table.
The star is on the table. Now, Advait PS, please unmute. Advait PS, please unmute. Advait, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What you can see? What you can see on the screen?
Leaf.
Leaf. What's the color of the leaf?
Green.
Green. Where is the leaf?
Under the table.
Very good. It's under the table. The leaf is under the table. Very good. Okay. Now, let me go to next slide. Okay.
Can you see, ma'am? Can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, I can see. Dhyan. Can you see the screen? Where is the cat, Dhyan? Where is the cat?
On the woolen ball.
On the woolen ball. On the woolen ball. Very good. Okay. Madhav, can you see the screen? Madhav, can you see the screen? Madhav, please unmute. Madhav, you became stuck. Parvati, can you see the screen? Parvati, please unmute. Can you see the screen? Parvati, please unmute. Can you see the screen? Yes. Where is a cat?
Woolen ball എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടോ.
Where is a cat?
Woolen ball.
Under.
Ah, very good. The cat is
The
under
cat
the
is
table.
എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്.
Okay, now we can see the next what we are going to study today that we can discuss. Okay, so today we are going to discuss above and below. Okay, above and below. Okay, Bennett Joe, can you see the screen? Bennett, can you see the screen?
No.
Yes. What all things are there on the screen?
What was see the
Bennett, what you can see on the screen?
Table. Ball.
What you can see on the screen?
Fan.
There is a fan. Good. There is a fan.
Table, ball.
There is a table. Very good. And one more object is here. There is a ball. What's the color of the fan?
Blue color.
Blue color. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now here we are studying what is the position above. Okay. See the position of fan. There is a gap between table and the fan. So this position is known as above the table. This position is known as above the table. See?
above എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തൊട്ട് മുകളിലല്ല, കുറച്ച് മുകളിലേക്ക് കേറി കാണുന്നത് above.
Just 1 minute.
താഴേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി നിൽക്കുന്നത് below. മനസ്സിലായ? തൊട്ട് മുകളിലും തൊട്ടടിയിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് above ആണ്. The bed is above the fan.
Now you can see the spelling now?
Yes.
Above the table. Good. See the space between table and the fan. The fan is at a higher level. Okay, the fan is at a higher level. This fan is not touching the table. Okay, this fan is not touching the table. There is a gap also between the table and the fan. So this position is known as above the table. You are sitting in a room, yes? Some are sitting in a room, I think. Yes?
Yes.
Is there fan on the top? Is there fan on
Yes,
the room?
ma'am.
Yes. So where is the fan? The fan is above your table. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, the fan is above the table. Now you got the position. What's the meaning of above the table?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Anurag, can you see the board?
God the position.
Yes. Okay. Now let us see what is below. Okay. Now let us see what is below. You can see the ball and you can see the table. The ball is at a lower level. Okay. Low level. Okay. The ball is at a lower level, and there is also some gap between the table and the ball. So this position is known as what we will say.
Table
What we will say below the table. Below the table. So what's the meaning of below? The object will be at a lower position. The object will be at a lower position. Tom Saji, please unmute. Tom Saji, please unmute. Okay, where is the ball?
The position.
Where is the ball? Tom, where is the ball? Tom, where is the ball? Where is the ball? Can you see
Below
the
the
ball?
table.
The ball is below the table. The ball is below the table. Arnav, please unmute. Where is the ball? Where is the ball, Arnav? Where is the ball? The ball is. The ball is. Okay, the ball is. Where is the ball? See?
Below.
The ball is below the table. The ball is below the table. Now I will show you some more examples. See?
Below the table.
Okay. Aditya Krishna, please unmute. Aditya Krishna, please unmute. Aditya Krishna, please unmute. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Yes, yes. Now, what you can see on the screen? You can see a cat. Good. And a cat and a cat and a ball. Okay. Now, what's the color of the ball?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. You can also see ball and cat. Let me ask you, where is a cat? Cat. Ah, good, good. See, the cat is above the woolen ball. The cat is above the woolen ball. The cat is above the woolen ball. Anay, baby. Anay. Anay. Please unmute your device. Anay. Please unmute. Anay, please unmute. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? Is it above the table, above the ball, or below the ball?
Below the ball.
Look at the screen carefully. Is it above or below? Is it above or below? Okay. See, the cat is. Very good, very good. The cat is above the woolen ball. The cat is above the woolen ball. Okay. Now, Muhammad Ali, please unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What you can see on the screen?
A cat is under the woolen ball.
See, cat is under the woolen ball. See, now we are studying above and below.
Cat is.
The cat is. The cat is.
Cat is below.
Below the
Cat is
ball. See, the cat is
woolen ball.
Woolen ball. Okay. Now, Jiva Pranav. Jiva Pranav. Can you see the screen, Jiva? Jiva, can you? Yes, yes. Let me ask the question after that you see answer. Okay. Jiva, where is the cat? See, I can't hear you. From the lips movements only I understood. Okay. You see answer, where is the cat?
Below.
The cat is.
Once more.
Jiva, say the answer. The cat is. Say louder. The cat is.
Below.
The cat is below the woolen ball. The cat is below the woolen ball. Okay. Now I am going to stop sharing. Okay. Now I can see you all. Okay. Now, all of you show me your palm. Show me your palm. Show me your palm, all of you. Show me your palm. Jennifer, where is the palm? Where is the palm? Jennifer, where is the palm? Jennifer, where is the palm? Very good, very good. With the other hand, you take your notebook. Take your notebook, okay? Take your notebook. With other hand, take your notebook. Okay? Now, just show me Or keep your notebook above your palm and show me.
Above.
Above.
No,
Above.
this is
Show me your
above
notebook.
meaning.
Above the palm. Above the palm. Above the palm. Advait. Advait PS. Above the palm. Advait PS. Above the palm. Just show me the one hand. Just show me the palm. Take the notebook in another hand and just keep it above the palm. Above.
Gap ഇട്ട് നിൽക്കണം. Gap.
Arna. Above the palm.
മുകളിലായിരിക്കണം പക്ഷെ
Above
ഗ്യാപ്പ്
the
വേണം
palm.
കേട്ടോ. ഇത് above.
Very good, Dhyan. Dhyan. Very good. Okay, Benit. Very good. Siddhi Vinayak. Very good. Christy. Look at the screen carefully. Above the palm. Arnav. Very good.
The palm.
Meenakshi. Very good.
Above.
Haya. Where is the notebook? Keep it. Very good. Very good. Chaitanya, very good. Evelyn, very good. Anurag, very good. Adit Krishna, very good. Androy, where is the notebook? Very good. Siddhi, very good. Aradhya, show me properly. Keep above your palm. Aradhya, take a notebook in another hand. And just erase the notebook. Very good, Aradhya, very good. Jiva, where's the notebook?
No.
We are going.
Show me above your palm. Mother, where's very good. Jiva, I can't see you. Where's the notebook?
No. How?
Jiva.
No.
Advait, very good. Tirtha, now I can see you. Very good. Tom Saji, where's the notebook? Just show me where. Keep it above your palm. Above your palm. Above your palm. Show me your palm. Show me your palm and keep it above. Very good. Now take your notebook and keep it down. Take your notebook and keep it down. Okay. Now you have to show me again. Okay. Show me your palm again. Show me your palm again.
Sure.
Show me your palm again. Okay. Take your notebook. Show me below the palm. Below the palm. Below the palm. Just opposite what we did last.
Above the palm.
Below the palm. Below the palm. Androy, show me your notebook. Jiva, where is the notebook?
Are above the palm? Okay,
Chaitanya, very good. Hessa, where is the notebook? Anurag, very good. Parvati, very good. Arjun Krishna, very good. Haya, where is the notebook? Show me below the palm, Haya. Below the palm. Good. Okay, Meenakshi. Asarya, very good. Ritika, show me properly. Very good. Okay. So now you all understood where is above and below?
Yes.
Above and below you understood? Let me share once more, okay? Let me share the screen once more. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What you can see on the screen?
Yes.
Mitra, what you can see on the screen? Mitra, you became stuck. Mitra, unmute your device. Okay. Evina, can you see the screen? Evina, can you see the screen?
Below.
Please unmute.
Oma is on the
Evina, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you see on the screen?
On the dog.
Evina, what you can see on the
Yes.
screen?
Below the table.
Parents, please mute, please don't talk. Evina, what you can see on the screen? Evina, where are you? Okay, okay. Evelyn Maria, can you see the screen? Evelyn, can you see the screen?
A butterfly. Dog
Evelyn,
is below
can you
the
see the
butterfly.
screen? Evelyn, please unmute your device. Evelyn, please unmute your device. Can you see the screen? Yes. What you can see the screen? Can you see the jug?
Yes.
Okay, okay. What's the color of the jug?
White.
White. What about the butterfly?
Blue.
Very good. Can you see a dog?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now, just you see the line below the picture. The butterfly is dash the dog. You have to say above or below.
Dog
Look
in
at the
the
butterfly and dog.
above.
Look at the butterfly and dog and say
in the
the
mole.
butterfly is dash
Above
the
the
dog.
dog.
Above
butterfly
or
is
below.
above the dog.
Where's the
Below.
butterfly?
The butterfly is
No, no.
above the
Very
above.
good. The butterfly is above the dog. Got it? The butterfly is above the dog. Very good, very good. Okay. Advait PS. Advait. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Can you see the butterfly and the dog?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very good. Look at the line, second line. The dog is dash the butterfly. Above or below?
Below the
Ah, very good, very good. The dog is below the butterfly. The dog is below the
Dog in
butterfly. Okay.
dog.
Now,
Butterfly
Chaitanya.
dog is below the butterfly.
Chaitanya. Very good. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Can you see the butterfly?
Yes.
Yes.
What's the color of the butterfly?
Blue.
The
Very good, very good. Look at the butterfly and the dog. Okay. The butterfly is dash the dog. Above or below?
Above.
Very good. The butterfly is above the dog. Okay. Now, Jennifer, can you see the screen? Jennifer?
Yes.
Yes. Now, look at the butterfly and the dog. Okay. Now, where's the dog? The dog is dash the butterfly. Above or below?
Above.
The dog is above or below the butterfly? Look at the screen carefully.
Below.
Below. The dog is
is
below the
dog എന്താണ്?
butterfly. Okay. Very good.
Dog
Now I'm
എവിടെയാണ്?
going to stop sharing. Okay.
ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈയുടെ താഴെ below
Okay,
the
okay,
butterfly.
okay. Very
കുറച്ച്
good.
താഴെയാണെങ്കിൽ പറയും നമ്മൾ under എന്ന് പറയും. കുറച്ച് നീങ്ങിയിട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് താഴെയാണെങ്കിൽ പറയും below.
Karthik? Karthik, please unmute. Karthik. Okay. What is in my hands?
Flower.
Flower.
Blue
What's
flower.
very good. It's a blue flower. Okay. It's a blue flower. Where is the flower? Where is the flower?
Rosapu.
Where is the flower? Where is the blue flower? See the position.
On the
The flower
Palm.
is.
Palm.
Don't say simply palm. Is it under the palm?
No.
Is it under the palm? Is it under the palm? Karthik? No, no, Karthik.
Sarah,
Karthik.
on the palm.
Karthik, wait. Karthik, you please look at the screen and look at the flower. Look at its position. Okay? Where it is located? Where is it? Say the answer. Where is the flower? The flower is. The flower is
For the palm.
Flower
No.
is?
On the palm.
Very good, very good, very good. The flower is on the palm. The flower is on the palm. Okay. Santom. Santom. Please unmute your device, Santom. Can you see the flower? Santom? Yes, yes. What's the color of the flower?
Blue.
Blue color. Okay. Can you say the position? Where's the flower? Where is the flower?
Above.
Say properly. Simply not say above. The flower is, say, the flower above the
Above the
palm.
palm.
Very good. The flower is above the palm. Very good. Okay. Christy Joby. Christy Joby. Please unmute your device. Christy Joby, please unmute. Can you see the flower? Can you see the flower? Christy, can you see the flower?
Can you see?
You can't see the flower?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now, where is the flower? Where is the flower? Christy, where is the flower? Christy, where is the flower? The flower is
Under.
very good. The flower is under the palm. The flower is under the palm. Hessa Naurin, please unmute your device. Hessa Naurin, please unmute. Can you see the flower? Can you see the flower?
Ma'am, we can't see the screen.
Can you see the flower, Nessa? Hessa?
Yes.
What's the color of the flower?
Blue.
Blue color, very good. Where is the flower? Look at the screen carefully. Where is the flower, Hessa?
Under.
Ma'am, actually, we can't see the screen
You can't see the screen?
because of network.
Okay.
Yes.
Just look at the YouTube video, okay? Okay. Now, okay. Tirtha, can you see the screen? Tirtha, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Can you see the flower?
Yes.
What's the color of the flower?
Blue. Blue.
Blue color, okay.
Blue.
Where is the flower? Where is the flower?
On the palm.
The flower is
On the palm.
on the palm. The flower is on the palm. So now all of you understood the difference between on and under, above and below? You got the difference? Yes or no? Please unmute and
Yes,
you
ma'am.
got the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we discuss above and below. Okay? And tomorrow I will discuss 2 more words. Okay? Now today I will send the notes. You just write in the notebook at the evening. Okay? You all
Okay, ma'am.
okay. You all like the session?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood what we studied today? You understood what we studied today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So we can see tomorrow. Now I am going to winding up the session. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.